How to download and install Venmo app on Android. Now, to download and install the Venmo app on Android in 2024, all you have to do is first of all make sure to go ahead and then make sure that you're connected to an internet connection. So just check whether you're connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, you can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store here. And once you open up your Play Store or your App Store, you will see this type of option here. Now in the search bar, obviously you want to go ahead and then search for Venmo and then just hit the enter button and search for it. Now if you don't find Venmo app like this, what you can also do is you can actually go to your browser, then just search for Venmo link. So type in Venmo Play Store, then search for the first Venmo link over there, then you'll find it. It will redirect you in the Google Play app where you can just hit the install button and install the Venmo app. And this way you'll be able to download and install the Venmo app on Android. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.